Allah for guiding me and shaping me into the person I am today. Today marks the culmination of a remarkable journey, 17 years of growth, learning and memories within these walls. From wide-eyed kindergartner to confident graduate, I have traversed a path filled with laughter, tears and much more. To be honest, I always got support from everyone whenever I needed. So today I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to some of the most important people of my life. Firstly, a very big thanks to my mother, who is not here today. Today I stand proud because of her. Her unwavering support, love and sacrifices have shaped me into the person I am today. Thank you for believing in me and pushing me to chase my dreams. Now, I express my gratitude to the management for their unwavering support in my academics. Next, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all HODs, that is, Mrs. Shazrin Tarannum, Ms. Bushra Tasleem and Ms. Khairun Nisa. Thank you for helping all of us in our internship projects, in uploading our internals and for never being strict. Thank you for always believing in me. Now I would like to give a special thanks to lecturer of BCA department, Mrs. Sayyida Sumayya, who was always ready to help us even though she was from different department. She was the one who always used to re-verify our post-registration, internal marks and attendance, who always used to insist us to recheck and come back if we are having some problems. Thank you ma'am, thank you for all your support. I would now like to thank Sabrina ma'am. Even though she was there with us for one semester, she truly believed in us and made our ways easy. Thank you ma'am. I would like to thank the person who didn't even take a subject for us but literally shared a very good bond, and he is none but Mr. Syed Hassan. Thank you Syed sir for making us realize that what we can do for others, we should do that. Now I would like to speak about a person who became close to me in this last year. I never expected that I would have so good bonding with her. She was with me at that point of my life when I wanted someone who can be empathic towards me. And luckily I got her. She is none but lecturer of Commerce Department, Mrs. Nikhat Sultana. Thank you ma'am, thank you for everything you did and for everything you are doing. I got your support at that time when I was needing the most. Now, I would express a deep thanks, acknowledge the support and appreciate the contribution to the most important people. That is Mr. Magesh Kumar and Mr. Dinesh Kumar. Work together. Literally, I have no words to describe you both. You both have played a very important role. Thank you for always motivating me, supporting me, guiding me and encouraging me. Thank you for showing me the confidence which I itself doesn't carry with me. Thank you for listening to my nonsense talks. Thank you for laughing on my silly jokes. Thank you for always being a guiding light. There are many things for which I have to thank you, so all I can say is thank you for everything. You both were always there with me through thick and thin. Today, more than leaving this college, my heart is filled with high emotions because I am leaving you people. The two hands of blessings, the two people's advice, the two people's suggestions will be no longer there. I will literally miss you both in every aspect of my life. Thank you so much, both of you. I would be short of my words if I don't thank a very important pair.
Today is a day of joy, reflection and deep gratitude. Standing here on this graduation stage with a gown on my shoulders, I am overwhelmed not just by the significance of this movement, but by the incredible journey that led us here. When I first stepped into the campus, wide-eyed and nervous, I carried with me more questions and answers. I wondered if I would fit in, if I'd be able to handle the pressure, and if I'd find my place, my people, my purpose. And now, after countless lectures, sleepless nights, caffeine-fueled study sessions, laughter-filled memories, and tearful setbacks, I can say without hesitation, I found all of that and more. To our professor and mentors, thank you. Thank you for challenging us when we thought we had reached our limits and we could not go further. And you always taught us lessons that went far beyond textbooks and gave us life lessons which were important and which were very needful for our further life. You taught us resilience, discipline, critical thinking and integrity. Your patience and dedications lit the way even during times when we struggled to find our dedication. Thank you, lecturers. To my friends and classmates, thank you for walking this journey with me. We have shared more than just a campus. I'll never forget inside the jokes, the long walks between classes, the breaks which we used to go outside and have chit-chats and do jokes, and remind us that we were never alone. You became my second family, and for that I'm eternally grateful. College taught me that success isn't just about grades or titles. It's about growth. It's about discovering who you are, what you stand for, and what you are willing to fight for. There were moments of doubt, even failure, but those moments became our success stepping stones. They reminded me that the path of success is rarely linear. Graduation is not the end. It's a beginning of transition from one chapter of life to another. The world beyond these walls is vast, uncertain and at times daunting. But we leave here not just with degrees in hand, but with mind sharpened, heart full and sense of purpose that has been years in making. Personal experience which I felt should be shared according to me. Those are from throwing chalk pieces to each other and giving nicknames to our fellow friends, and making catcalls around the corridor, which was a way of bringing laughter out of all. So today I thank you to this institution, to everyone who supported me and to the person I have become through this journey. Here's to memories we've made and lessons we've learned and endless possibilities ahead. I would like to apologize for any of my mistakes made by me, and thank you everyone for correcting my mistakes. I would conclude this speech by just giving a few lines. जो होना है वो होकर रहेगा, जो होना है वो होकर रहेगा। अपने उस्ताद का एहतराम कर, अगर उसकी दुआ लग जाए, जो तेरे बस में नहीं वो भी तेरी जिंदगी में होकर रहेगा। Lastly, I have few lines to our institution. जो भी मुश्किल होगी और परेशानी होगी, उसको लड़कर आसान करेंगे। जो भी मुश्किल होगी और परेशानी होगी, उसको लड़कर आसान करेंगे। जहां भी दुनिया में होंगे, किसी भी कोने में होंगे, ग्रेस इंटरनेशनल का नाम रोशन करेंगे। थैंक यू।